Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to start one of the most important topic in terms of Java interviews or full stack development interviews or backend development interview guys. If you are going to attend any interview in any MNC guys like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, HCL, Infosys. So definitely you are going to encounter some of the Java 8 coding questions. And if you answer like theory question also little bit less, but you write the Java 8 code in the after the interview usually they used to ask. So definitely you will be get selected because usually they used to check that how you are hands-on into writing Java 8 logic guys. Now even there are latest feature available in Java 17 is there, Java 21 is there, and Java 23 also is coming. But the thing is they will definitely ask to check the logic in Java 8, how you are writing the logic into Java 8 guys. And definitely this Java 8 is very concise guys. Only the logical coding you can write the just in 2 3 line or maximum 5 line, very nicely you can implement any problems or any questions guys, but we should understand the core concept in this. So let's coming to starting to the first question guys. So here like I will start in this series, around I will cover like around 50 questions for the most like important question in every like Java interview guys. So first I will start basic question, but this is related to most of the Java 8 problems. If you understand this question, so based on this you can understand other so many complex question as well guys. So let's coming to the main question. So here this question, I hope if you are working in this like Java field, or you are working in some companies are looking to for get some good job, definitely you have encountered this question in most of the interviews. How to find each character frequency in a string in Java 8? Even there are logic in Java also, we can very easily we can get, but they will ask to write specifically in Java 8 guys. So here in Java 8 there is only few lines. See, if we see mainly this is two line guys, this line and this line. So only 2 3 line is the main core logic how to implement this complete, like how to count each character occurrence in this. But the thing is we should understand the like how this works internally, how it this logic, how this approach is getting used while we resolve this issue, or why we count the each frequency of this character guys. So let's going to the IntelliJ guys. So here, so we have given this string guys, entertainment. So we can take any string, but as of now it is a common string usually we get, and we can take but any string. So we have to find the each character's frequency in this guys. Suppose E how many times occurs, N how many times, or T how many times in this. Like this for every character you have to count. So think first yourself that what approach we can follow. Suppose we have given this string. Okay, we have in this so many characters are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 characters, right? So usually there are total 14 characters, but we have to find each unique like characters how many times it is occurs. Many duplicate are there, many unique are there, right? So how we will count first thing? So we have this string. Okay, we have to take every character, and we will check with this character that any character is there in this or not. So usually guys, this string internally we have to convert into some character array. If we convert each into character array like this, then we can compare this. We will take first one and then we will compare it is there or not, or like we will count first, like how many times occurs this, how many times occurs, then we will count, and then we will store the count of each character. So here, first of the main thing that while we are collecting this, so here it is just a string, but while we are uh, collecting this, so one thing will be character and one thing will be the count of the character. So like suppose see, if we take e will be only how many times, one times guys. And if we take suppose, if we take suppose n how many times, only one, three times guys. Okay. And if we take t is also three times. So see, this is a what this is coming, this is hash, this is a map key value pair it is coming guys. So this like for every character like this we have to get, so this will come into key value. So for storing this value, we have to first define some map. First of all, while we will count this first we have to storing this key value like one character and then count, we have to define one map guys. And in map then we will convert this, like for processing this we will convert into character array, and then we will store into this map, and then here we will return all the counts for every character. So let's how we will implement this logic guys. So for this first list I will take one map. So map will be of which will store character and suppose integer. Okay. So it's character and integer guys. Now suppose I am taking this char map. Okay. So here now in char map we have to store this string. Now this string we will convert into char array. So if it there is one method guys, str.chars, we will use chars, it will convert into character array, and now we will use the map to object. So it will actually it will convert into char object from int stream guys. So after converting to char array, now we are just typecasting each character. So this is C. So we will typecast in this. See here multiple errors are showing guys. Here see map is showing it, think this is the import issue guys. So we need to import this. Okay. So we are using map to obj. Now here till here it is converted into the character array. Still we have to do group, like group by to how many times it is coming, like grouping each character then how many times it's counting. So we will use for that collect and group by. Collect we will use group by collectors dot grouping by. Now in grouping by, how we have to group by this each character how we will get guys, each character we can get by there is one identity method into function. We can use the function dot identity method. So it will return each identity, means each unique in this in map, like it will each unique key, every character will be as a key guys. And now we will use for counting how many times it's coming, collectors dot counting. It is doing collectors dot counting guys. See here some error is showing, character long. Okay, so here showing that it is have, we have whatever the map we have defined as character integer but provided character long, means whatever we are uh, asking here required type here integer, but here collect is returning what it is returning, grouping by using collectors dot counting guys, it returns long actually. See, it is return type is the long guys, so that's why it is showing the error, because here we have defined integer, we are asking for integer value but it is giving long value. So but here we cannot change this return type, this is built in long method. So here only let's we will change in this method guys, sorry in this map only declares we will change long. Okay, so here we taken the map of character and the count in long, then we are converting into this string into character array, and using map to object we are converting into each character. And now we are using collect and collectors dot grouping by guys, grouping by is the, this is the main function, built-in function using to group by are creating the map, we can see in count using this collectors dot count are finding the identity of each in the map. So here now we got this character map guys. So let's, this is suppose character map. Okay guys, now we have the character map, and now let us, so one thing is directly we can, if we have the this character map, if we directly print this, suppose we are doing system.out.println, so it will print the frequency of each character directly also we can print. But usually the interviewer will ask to show your logic to like how you are iterating this map guys. Okay, see here directly we are printing this hash map a1 r one time, t how many times guys, three times, bt is c in this, t is the three times guys, and e only one time, and I one time, m one time, n equal to three time guys. So directly we can print this, but usually he will accept that expect that the panel will like look for the some like for iteration logic also. So suppose we have the character map, we can convert into entry set, and we can print it in using for each guys. Using for each, we will just we can use, Using for each and this method reference, we can directly print this. See it now, we are printing how it will show. Now it is showing like in this proper way, guys. Only E1 once, R once, T three time, E two time, E1, and I equal to one time, guys. So this is the core logic, but you have to understand first this logic. This is the main logic, guys. Like first it is taking one map of character and long. In this we are storing each character one by one, and now we are counting this each character count, like how many it's, how many times it's coming. Just only one line code, guys, but this is very important for any Java interview. And when first you understand this very properly, this logic, on the basis of this logic we there are multiple questions like this, guys. In suppose we can get here what are the consonant, what are the vowels here, and also like which are many longest string also will get. So this is the, this was the one approach to solving this problem, guys. If you want any other approach, actually there are one more approach, guys. If we want we can discuss that also using we can use using arrays logic. So using arrays, if you want we can go with that also, but I think let's first learn this one way only. First like understand this logic, otherwise we can learn another way also, but I think then this video will be going to longer, guys. So okay, so let's first learn only one way this. I will show you another way into next video properly. I will explain that way in that also, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.